Hi there. We're going to finish this now. Not that you haven't all seen by watching part 1 what's going to happen, so feel free to skip it if you want. No bugs allowed. That's the third little bug I've removed. We have a beautiful dish of color if you're just tuning in. That's fine. I'm going to scoop a bunch of it up. Hopefully I'll be able to use what's left there. I want to create some ribbons. I think I'm going to pick some more paint up. And put it down. And I'm going to let a bunch flow down over the end. Side. Whatever. And the same over here. Love my little spatulas. Princeton spatulas. You can find them on the internet. There's one on my Amazon page and that's it. I don't know why they won't let me have more, but they won't. In any case, that scoop's going in the bucket. I think I'm going to just, take a chance and let that paint, no, I can't do it without, adding some more over here. Because it's just not the same thickness. But there's an awful lot of that purple, so I think I'm going to pick up some other stuff here too. Yes, I'm off kilter because I have a 20 by 20 inch canvas and a 16 by 16 inch tile. And I started this canvas with white paint, nice and wet, and it is not as wet as it once was. I wanted to have a different configuration. I wanted to have 5 rows, and I think I might be able to sneak some part of another row in there, and I'm a little dubious as to how that's going to work, but I'm willing to try. And let some of that drip right over the edge. And if I need some more colors, I've got them. It doesn't bother me that the waves are a little bigger in front. That seems to be perfect and exactly what I had in mind, so that's good. Can't be perfect. Perfectly imperfect. There's nothing perfect about accidental art, unless you think so. I'm going to take a little bit of that paint from around here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to join those bands on the side or not yet. I could just put dots in between. That's pretty cool. I like that dot. I didn't think about putting waves down there. Let's do that. I like that. Cool. I don't know what made me think to do that. Quick, before the paint is so dry I can't manipulate it anymore. That's cool. I like that. Yay. Aren't you glad you came back? Let's wipe that skewer off before we get any more frisky with the paint on there. Cool. Way cool. Oh, that setup. Okay, well maybe we can get away with it anyway. I think so. Fortunately, it doesn't set up next to it. And we got here in time to continue, hopefully. Yes, I think so. I'm loving that. Wow. I know you guys might get a little tired of me being impressed with myself, but I spent a long time and did hundreds of paintings to sort of get myself in the groove. So I don't want anybody to judge yourselves too harshly if you don't do what I do right off the bat. Of course, I'm pretty sure somebody out there is going to do what I do, and just as well. So I'm waiting for that to happen, and that's okay too. That'll mean I had something to do with encouraging somebody's creativity, and there's nothing wrong with that. I have the need for some white paint, and I don't want much. I got probably more than I want, but that's okay. I'm going to wipe off my skewer on my wet cotton rag. And I'm going to steal some paint. Yep, that worked fine. I'm going to go up here and finish these. That looks like either a bug or a blob. Whatever it is, it's gone now. Yay. Yep, I think we got this. This is getting done just barely in time because the white paint is setting up. We're on our second timer of 20 minutes. The camera shuts off after 20 minutes, so I have to start again. If you wonder. People used to wonder. Not so much anymore. I probably shouldn't be doing that, only because I might not be able to do it somewhere else. But I'd like to be. Is it going to make it too busy? No, I think it's just fine. I'm not sure it's as fine up there, but I'm willing to go ahead and use a little paint. Just dip right in and bring it over. And these canvases start, somebody's in the pool. These canvases start primed, so I'm not going to feel too bad if I have canvas showing. It's not the end of the world. Artists do some pretty funky things. That is neat. That does not make me want to add another one at the bottom, but I'm going to see what it looks like very cautiously. Okay, I'm going to try it. And that will enable me to also, hopefully, go down over the bottom and use the paint I've got. And cover some edges. Unfortunately, I know I can dip my spatula right in there. Pull out some colors, and they'll still turn out pretty cool. I'm going to try and pay more attention to this up here right now. Up here, down here. I'm not distracted. I'm feeling like this was kind of a risky move on my part, but I'm liking the result, so it's okay now. If in doubt, fake it out. I used to say that pretty often. Alright, so those are not a bad version of what's above them. And I'm going to continue on. Maybe I'm going to continue on using my spatula. Between, tap it along the edge. Hope that the white paint stays wet long enough for us to do something to finish. And I think it will. I'm betting on it. I'm going to have to go back in there again, which is okay with me. I hope. theory is if I drop enough nice moist paint on there, it will blend. I'm not having as much luck as I was hoping for with my planned result, but it's still not bad, and I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Pick up a bunch of that purple. It occurs to me that most of these waves are much higher up than the above wave, and they are down here. Yeah, no, it's still not bothering me. I'm good. We'll get through this. I don't think it'll be another 20 minutes. God, I hope not. We've used quite a bit of time, actually. Let me grab that purple. Put it right there. The white at the bottom is dry now, but it was there. And I think after you get off camera, I'm going to fill in my edges. My edges in my bottom. But for right now, I'm going to look and see if there's anything else I can do here. Yep, I can put those in there. Almost forgot them. Glad I noticed that. Sweat's rolling in my eyes. Que sera, sera. At least I got my show painting ready. And I like it. When it comes home, it can live in my house very happily. I have a few different pieces to go in, and I'm pleased with that. I'm pleased with this too. I could just tip this right down over if I was brazen, but I'm not that brazen right at the moment. I kind of feel like this might be a little boring, but I know some of you don't mind. And I'm going to call that good. Or pretty good. There's still enough white space down there so it works out alright. I'm not going up to the top to do it again. It's just going to have to be the way it is. It's maybe not the most balanced, but I'm happy. Whoa! Note to self. Hey, you know what? I just want to add a bunch of dots of that color on, honestly. I think I'm going to take that someplace, if I can, put a cover over it. Oh, come on. Because then I have a shot at keeping it. And I'm done. I'm going to say, remember, I have donation places if you want to be helpful to keep the studio going and the videos coming. I have Patreon and PayPal. And if you want to buy any art supplies from my Amazon link, please do so. It helps me out. And I appreciate it very much. And I appreciate everybody who's contributed so far. And I will see you all in the next video. I'm glad that didn't take any longer than it took. And I got some work to do that you don't need to watch. And Priscilla out. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for inspiring me. And thank you for all the lovely comments and the appreciation. It means the world to me. And I love you guys for it. Thank you so much. Bye for now.